counter for the Admirals. It's pushed towards Martin, very good at playing the puck, and he'll sweep it out towards the line. Svechkov holds the zone. Bouncing puck, spotted by Bellows, cuts in, and a catch by Martin.
6:43 for Milwaukee. Chicago turned on 5 minutes for fighting at 6:43. Milwaukee minor penalty is being served by number 48.
Ufko able to charge his way in, pass to the slot, and a stop by Martin. Centering pass out in front, a point-blank save made by Martin on Bellows. Kept in by Stansny, over, and another stop! Spectacular Spencer Martin. The Wolves will break out instead. Picked up by Keppen, has Brendamore down the slot. Brendamore shoots, he scores! Who needs an icing when he can take a 2-0 lead? Towards Wagner, stood up by Ottenbright, but he keeps control. Now he sends Suzuki in on a 2-on-1. Suzuki and Gunler. Suzuki shoots, he scores! Back-to-back games, Ryan Suzuki has lit the lamp, and it's 3-0 Chicago. Get up by the Admirals, who now attack. Svechkov over to Hinostroza. His shot was wide. Those who made the D-zone play now serving it up. Hinostroza to Ufko, back and in front, they score. Bellows tips it home, and the Admirals early, 36 seconds into the third, are within 2.
Some options there.
Slavin will hook this one. Will the third time be the charm? No, unselfish to his centerman, and Brendamore scores. That's why you're the captain.
Yeah, I love this.
4-1 final over the Admirals, and for now they've moved into third in the Central Division.